Want real-time heart monitoring accuracy within plus or minus 1 beat per minute? Well then, the HW9 is right for you. Finally now, you can enjoy an arm heart monitor and forget totally about those big old chest monitors. Hi there, Frank George here with the HW9. It offers the same accuracy as those big names like Garmin and Polar, yet at a really competitive price level. You see, the HW9 easily tracks your heart rate with easy-to-read color zones. Zone 1 is very light blue. Zone 2 is light intensity, purple. Zone 3 is moderate or green, which you see flashing now. Zone 4 is hard breathing, intense. And Zone 5 is maximum, deep red. And it also checks your heart rate variability, or HRV. And it works with the Coospo or the Heart Tool app. Personally, I prefer the Heart Tool app. It's got lots of information. I can look at my exercise information or my history. And you see it's got a lot of information like exercise time, average beats per minute, maximum heart rate, calories burned, live information, aerobic exercise, fat burning for 32 minutes, warm up, lots and lots of information. In this case, I exercised for 30 minutes and 33 seconds with an average heart rate of 123 beats per minute, maximum heart rate of 144 beats per minute, 306 calories burned. And you can see how my heart rate changed all during the exercise. Fat burning for 17 minutes and 10 seconds. My warm-up was 12 minutes and 21 seconds. You can track your exercise, your HRV, your ECG, and your history. So there's also reminders. You can set reminders for yourself. You can add different devices. I also have the HW9 connected to my smartwatch. You can choose your language. I've chosen English, feedback, and about us. You can also check for updates. There's no updates available. Again, this is the Heart Tool. It's really excellent. To start the device, it's just a short press, and then it starts monitoring your heart rate. And to turn the device off, just one long press. And the HW9 is so comfortable and easy to use. It's not like those big, bulky chest monitors. But the accuracy is really close to those chest monitors. And that makes the HW9 a total win. And it works with both Bluetooth and ANT or adaptive network technology or wireless protocol. You can connect it with your smartwatch, smartphone, smart equipment, and smart bike computers too. And it's compatible with a wide range of fitness apps like Whoop, Strava, Polar, and so on. There is also a vibration function that I really like that alerts you when you reach a certain heart rate value that you can set in advance. And when it vibrates, it calls your attention. Just check the zone color and you'll know your heart rate level. It's perfect for training, for when you run and walk and cycle. And when you get yours, just charge it with the included charging cable. And when you get yours, you'll get everything you see here in this nice small box. The Coospo HW9 Armband Heart Rate Monitor you see here, an extra armband that fits all size arms, the charging cable, and a great and informative user manual. And the armbands are really great. You can adjust them to fit any size arm. And it is recommended to wear your armband monitor on your upper arm, not on your wrist where your smartwatch goes. Oh, and the battery life, you'll love it. 35 hours. And it's waterproof too, with an IP rating of 67. So get yourself one today for your health and your peace of mind. Frank George, we'll see you next time. Back to my exercise.